Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram story restyle something went wrong problem or Instagram story restyle not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Click on profile picture. Again click on setting icon. Scroll down, click on help, tap on report a problem, again tap on report problem, click on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram account story restyle something went wrong problem or Instagram story restyle not working problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Go back. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story restyle something went wrong problem or Instagram story restyle not working problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.